currently nagme-mentorship naman kami at some way. So naniniwala ako sa kanya, especially after nung sabi ko nga kanina, abundance. Nagpasalamat talaga ako sa kanya nang umiiyak, sabi ko. Hi guys, my name is Brian Malabago, also known as Yuki, a professional Dota player, also owner of an e-commerce company called Frontera, and I'm also the telemarketing head for Gen Z's digital trading, no? So, paano nga ba nabago ni Coach Mix ang buhay ko? It started when I listened to him in Discovery. Nung una nakita ko siya, sabi ko, sino to? Parang ang liit naman, parang sino? Later did I know na siya pala yung CEO and president ng IM Plus, and na narinig ko talaga siya, parang spark a connection with him na sabi ko, ganyan ko gusto makita yung sarili ko, ganyan ka-confident ko gusto makita yung sarili. And it really hit me kasi lahat ng sinasabi niya is parang resonating to my life na parang ito yung struggles ko before. And after Discovery, even the abundance, yun na talaga. Sobrang grabe yung binago ni Coach Mix sa buhay ko. And kung may bibigay mo na ako Coach Mix, lahat ng services na kaya ko, I will give it to him. Kasi grabe, he really deserves that. So ako personally, sa pagka sinabi ni Coach Mix ngayon, actually I work under for him in terms of, parang mentoring. Kung ano sabihin niya, naniniwala ako. Because not only na tama naman yung sinasabi niya, but also, he is very credible to do that. Currently, nagme-mentorship naman kami at some way. So, naniniwala ako sa kanya, especially after nung sabi ko nga kanina, abundance. Nagpasalamat talaga ako sa kanya nang umiiyak. Sabi ko, Coach Migs, you really changed my life. Kaya guys, you must follow him as well. So, ako sa lahat ng kaibigan ko, I introduce him as my mentor as well. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. And Coach Migs, kung makikita mo to, maraming salamat. Binago mo buhay ko.